Hello dear friends, today is the 13th of July 2010, 8:30 GMT, and we welcome you to Atlas Forex, our technical analysis online, and we start with Euro USD 15-minute chart. The parity was supported at 25.33, and we believe that would stay there until further news come out. We see the Euro USD on the 60 minutes. We can see that there was a breakdown on of the 200 moving average, close to the 126, little less. And of course you can see also the 50 moving average ready to cross from above the 200 moving average. That is because Moody's downgraded Portugal, and as soon as the news came out, well, the parity went down. We see again the channel. The channel is there. There is a red downward channel that is created since the 9th of July, and we matched the Fibonacci 1618. So we will see the development. We will see what the parity will do. Let's see on 1 day. No change since yesterday. Same thing on the weekly. A little bit. This Andrews pitchfork level here is actually the limit for the time being. Sterling USD. Sterling USD, not much to say. The CPI news of UK came a little bit better, and we will see the sterling moving up a little later. We see it on 60 minutes, supported, broke a trend line that was supposed to be a resistance, a support. Nevertheless, we did see, as I said earlier, the pound recovering a little bit with the CPI news in UK coming better than expected. Same thing on the day. Not much change since yesterday. Same thing as far as the weekly. Let's see the USD Swiss franc. The USD Swiss franc is on a 5-minute chart respected the trend line. The moving averages actually played the role perfectly. The mob here was very efficient. You see the second top, the failed double top here, which generated this kind of cup. Eventually will be extended and will be developed to a cup. Remember the Fibonacci lines that we mentioned also in our previous videos about previous larger time frame. It plays also here the role of resistance. Let's see that in 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 50, 200 moving averages are crossing. We have to watch that. There are a lot of resistances over here. Let's go to the day. Well, no much difference since yesterday. Again, down and then recovered. Same on the week. Let's move to the USD yen. Let's do the USD yen. Well, this is on a 15 minutes. You see the moving up channel. We had it also yesterday, and now we have this kind of channel, downward channel, which we'll see how it will develop and whether it will guide the prices into lower levels. Again, 1618 Fibonacci was satisfied. Let's see that on 60 minutes. 60 minutes was still going up. We covered the C. We are above the 0618 Fibonacci, and that is the 60 minutes. Let's see the day. All right, resistance support levels were all right. We are moving, and let's see what is the weekly no difference from the yesterday video. We move euro sterling, euro pound, euro sterling. Well, here we are. There was a move upwards later on because of the CPI news, and we continue to see the 60 minutes. This is expected to play the role of the support. This is the 200 moving average in case we're moving downwards. The day here again, okay, we had that since yesterday, was the resistance of the 50 period moving average. The week is more or less as yesterday. Euro yen, okay, the euro, Portugal was downgraded, lost, eventually stayed here. We see it on the 60 minutes. You see the 200, the low channel, the low trend line of the channel, the 200 moving average was acting as support. Well, we're not yet all right. We have to be careful to see how that will develop. 60-minute chart, we see the daily chart, support here, the channel, the other channel. We are early, but is eventually created a reaction, a rebound towards higher levels from this point here. Let's go on the weekly chart. Not much difference. Dow Jones. Sometimes you see, I'm bewildered. Look at the 5-minute chart of Dow Jones. It's following and is respecting the 50 moving average. As if they were trying, all the traders involved in the session yesterday, they didn't do anything else than trying not to break the 50 moving average. Go to the 60. We see the 60 0618 level. This is the retracement of this downfall. We see whether, yes, this is our projection. Our projection is that we go to 10,382. Let's go to the daily. There is a resistance here. There is a resistance, the crossing of the two moving averages. The weekly, nothing different. He's trying to get above the first resistance level, and we will see what happens tonight. Thank you very much for following. We'll see you again. Thank you.